Learn everything about the nucleus of hypothalamus. First we learn about the anterior nucleus and then we will learn about posterior nucleus with their function. See this my private vein for paraventricular nucleus. Remember private vein for paraventricular nucleus. Vein is carrying ox for oxytocin. See this glass of water. Water is for water conservation. Remember the function of paraventricular nucleus is for water conservation and oxytocin release. Now see this parrot. Parrot is for preoptic nucleus. Two preoptic nucleus are there. Medial preoptic nucleus. Meat-eating parrot helps you to remember about medial preoptic nucleus. Parrot sitting on bladder and bladder contraction helps you to remember about bladder contraction. The slow running watch is for decreased heart rate. Slow running watch for decreased heart rate. Function of medial preoptic nucleus is bladder contraction and decreased heart rate. Parrot on goalpost for posterior preoptic nucleus. See thermometer, it is for temperature regulation. Thermometer for temperature regulation. Tie is on ground, helps me to remember about thyrotropin inhibition. Tie for thyrotropin and on ground for inhibition. Now lastly see this painting of lady with sweat. Helps me to remember about sweating and painting. Function of posterior preoptic nucleus are temperature regulation, thyrotropin inhibition, sweating and painting. Now remember SOAP for supraoptic nucleus. SOAP for supraoptic nucleus and its function is vasopressin release.